considered to be one of the world's strongest storms this year. Typhoon Odette, as we speak, is currently battling through the Visayas. Before that, it wreaked havoc in Surigao del Norte, where it first made landfall, as well as nearby provinces. To give us updates on the ground, we have Jem Avancenia reporting to us live from Tandag City in Surigao del Sur. Jem, how's the situation there?
Robbie, it's been hours since Typhoon Odette first made landfall in Surigao del Norte, but we can still feel its wrath here in the neighboring province of Surigao del Sur. Even before Odette made landfall in Surigao at 1 p.m., Surigao nuns here in Tandag City started the day with heavy downpour and strong winds. But come early afternoon, the conditions worsened. Huge waves pummeled the coastal areas, forcing fishermen to bring their boats to higher ground. These houses almost lost their roofs due to strong winds. It was also a difficult drive for motorists. Even before the onslaught, some 3,500 families living along coastal and flood-prone barangays had been evacuated.
Evacuate kami nga ni kay...
Lumikas kami kasi baka ma-stranded kami sa bagyo. Sa baha, mahulugan kami ng niyog.
Makuha kami ng lobe.
Mayor Roxanne Pimentel said they want to make sure that residents are safe as their city is prone to flash floods.
Gusto natin wala talagang maano na buhay, no? Mailigtas talaga lahat natin ng lahat ng mga constituents natin. Kasi medyo malakas talaga yung alon at saka parang may surge tayo. Parang 2 meters na yung surge natin, kaya preemptive evacuation tayo since December 14 at saka kahapon.
Back in February this year, Tandag was heavily flooded when Typhoon Orin hit.
Robbie, Odette made its second landfall in Dinagat Islands in Surigao del Norte. Its third in Panawan Island, southern Leyte, and the fourth one was in Padre Burgos, still in southern Leyte. It is projected to make another one in southern Cebu. Robbie?
Ingat at maraming salamat, Jem. That was Jem Avancenia reporting to us live from Tandag City in Surigao del Sur.